Welcome to Day 1 of English Daily Practice. Today we will start with simple sentences that slowly grow from basic to advanced. After that, we will read a short story to improve vocabulary, grammar and fluency. Let's begin our journey step by step, because small practice every day creates big results. I like hot tea. She reads every day. The dog is cute. We play at school. He has 2 books. They are my friends. I love my family. This pen is blue. The sun is bright. Birds fly in sky. Please wait for me. He always wakes up early. My brother plays cricket. We study after dinner. She writes very fast. The children are happy. Time heals every deep wound. They walk to the market. I enjoy learning English. He speaks 4 languages. Knowledge opens many new doors. Hard work always brings success. Positive thinking changes your life. Technology connects the whole world. He dreams beyond the stars. Courage leads to great achievements. Small actions create big differences. Reading daily improves your mind. Consistency builds lifelong strong habits. Practice makes a person perfect. Arjun was a young boy who lived in a small village. Every morning, he walked 4 kilometers to school. Sometimes he felt tired, but he never gave up. His dream was to become a teacher. One day, his teacher asked, "What is the biggest step towards success?" The children gave many answers: money, power, and luck. Arjun quietly said, "A small step, every day." The teacher smiled and told the class, "Arjun is right. Success does not come in one big jump. It comes through small steps, taken daily." From that day, Arjun decided to study for 1 extra hour every evening. He read books, practiced writing, and improved his English slowly. Some days were hard, but he reminded himself, a small step is enough. Years passed. Arjun became the first teacher in his village. The same children who once laughed at his long walk now came to study in his school. He taught them not only subjects, but also the power of daily practice. Arjun's story proved one truth: success is not built in a day. It is built in small, simple steps that grow into a big journey.